Hi, my name's Rowan. I'm one of the product specialists here at Medi-Rent, and today I'll be going through an unboxing and setup video on the Osteotron V. In your Osteotron V box, you'll receive the device itself, user manual and quick start guide, ultrasound gel, power lead with associated charging cable, 2 probes in the size appropriate to your condition, and surgical tape. When it comes to your device, there are a few main components. The main screen, which is a touch screen, and a large central button at the bottom to turn the device on and off with. On the side, you'll note the DC in charging port. Simply flick it open to expose the port. And on top, you have channels 1 and channels 2 for your probes. You can use the device with either one probe active or both simultaneously. When it comes to plugging in, you'll note that there's an oval shape. You line it up and push to click. To turn on your device, simply press and hold the central power button. You'll then note on this main screen, we have a few different settings. The power intensity in milliwatts per centimeter squared and the duration of treatment time. Typically, our device is programmed to work at a power of 30 and a treatment time of 20 minutes. This is typical of a more superficial injury. Your treating therapist may adjust these times or adjust these power intensities. To do so, they would simply touch the power to cycle between 30, 45 and 60 milliwatts per centimeter squared, and then the treatment time of between 20 minutes to 30 or as short as 10-minute intervals. As you can see at the top, I have my probe plugged into channel 1, and it is showing that it is a 1.5 millihertz probe that is plugged in. To change any more advanced settings, simply press the cogwheel at the top next to the power, and you'll note that for channels 1 and channels 2, you can change the output frequency. So this is between 1000 or 100. Simply touch to change. You also have the ability to change the units of measure, as well as the end melody, which is the sound that the device makes upon treatment completion, and whether there is a buzz associated with it. When it comes to positioning your probe, we recommend your therapist finding the point that you need to be treating, making a small X, which you will reapply after washing your hands each day. This makes positioning the probe in the same spot very easy to do. Next, if using surgical tape, simply cut out 2 to 3 strips and place them in a crisscross pattern on the back of the probe. Next, we can take our ultrasound gel, a small circle to cover the probe, positioning it on the site that we need to, securing with the tape, and now the device is ready to use. If we were to turn the device on now, you can simply press start. If the device does not start, it means that either there is not enough contact or the probe is not working. When your device is running, you will hear an intermittent beep. If this beep is a slow beep, such as this, it means the device is working as intended and the buzzer is on. If, however, you have auto contact on and the probe does not make contact with your skin adequately, a fast beep will begin. This means you need to reposition the probe until that beep slows down.